Hi bros, if you are looking for multi-purpose rack for your Engwe X26, then I created this useful thing. It can handle a lot. You can safely secure items on it. It's even prepared to install extra battery. And of course, e-bike looks more delicious with it. If you would like one, in the description you can find link to my eShop, so you can get ready to install version or you can get the files. If you choose do-it-yourself version, then use some decent quality filament, otherwise it could not survive very long. It's super easy to install. If you choose do-it-yourself version, then place nuts in the sockets. Then place rack on e-bike and secure it by two plates which should be installed under the frame. Tighten the screws, don't use too much force, and it's done. Super easy. I think these holders are a decent idea. Crazy easy to install. And actually I got lots of experience in design, so I'm pretty sure those will work longer than this e-bike. To secure back you can use straps, net, or any other idea you can imagine. If you would like extend working range even more, no problem. There is special spot to install standard external battery case. Just tighten 5 screws and done. My extra battery pack is 13S 5P, so around 25 amps hour. Now real working range of X26 is over 120 kilometers at my weight nearly 100 kilograms, which is decent. Yes, I mean my weight. Jesus Christ. If you have any questions, leave it in comment section. I will back to you and try to help. See you in next one, bros.